how to change sale label text on Shopify products. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change sale label text on products in the easiest way possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go on online store. And once you go into online store, what you're going to do from here is click on these three buttons and click on edit theme content. Okay. Once we do that, go into filter items, write sale. Okay. So write sale like this. Now, once you write sale down here, it's going to say product and it's going to say on sale. So there we go. Now, basically, once you have this, go ahead and, change it to whatever you want to. And then once you do that, click on save. So let's say I'm going to, change it to that JH. I'm going to click on save. And now the label for sale is going to say JH. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.